In this video, I'll show you how to send a message on TikTok. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and hit that subscribe button. And once you have subscribed, please go and leave a like as well. I really do appreciate it. So I'm showing you the full tutorial on direct messages on TikTok. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you've got on your account. So there are a few requirements for you to be able to go and message people on TikTok. One of them being you do need to be over 16 and the other person needs to be over 16 as well on TikTok. Another one is you both need to be friends. So to be friends on TikTok, you actually need to be able to follow each other back. So if you don't both follow each other, you won't be able to. However, if you fall into both of these categories, I'll show you exactly how you can go and message somebody. So guys, I now want to show you how you can actually go and message somebody and the steps you need to take. So I'm going to come to my homepage. As you can see here, here's an account. I'm going to go and click on it. They're running ads called JD. So I'm going to go and try and message his account. So go to the top right where you got those three dots, click there, and then you're going to go and get all these options here. All you want to do is go and click on send message in the bottom next to block. So click send message. Now, if I go and try and send something like hi, you're going to go and get a pop-up saying only friends can message each other. That's what I was explaining earlier. And like I said earlier, to be a friend, you both need to follow each other. So now let's go and find an account which definitely does follow me. For example, this account here, I'm going to come to it, click on the top right on those three dots again, click send message. I can go and put something like hey, and then go and click send. And as you can see, that sends absolutely fine. And that person is then going to go and get the message. If you found this video useful, please go down below and hit the subscribe button, leave a like for more. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.